Been from 1948, so I figured we'd give it a go restoring it and bring it back to its former glory. So that's the next section. Get that done, sand that down, cover all the dints. I've tried to get majority out best I can, but obviously with the metal being stretched, not all of them come out perfectly. So a little bit of filler where is needed. This was quite a substantial sort of gouge out of it, so it stretched the metal. So I've got it back as close as I can, but otherwise if I go any further, it's just going to distort another section because there's quite a bit of tension in it. Next step is I'm going to mask this section out. So there's a little piece of trim that goes here, sort of, well, around about there. And anything below that is blue, anything above is cream. So we're going to paint the blue section first, and then that can be masked up, and then I can paint the rest cream. Today I'm relining these sections here. Pretty much, well, it's got MDF, or it had MDF, and as you can see it's just crumbling. It's got damp in the workshop where it was. I think there was a bit of a leak in the roof, so it's just had that over the years. It's not actually done anything to the frame, because that's ash frame, so it's all still solid. So I'm going to put marine ply on instead, so it'll be a bit stronger and designed to get damp to a certain extent. This is how rotten the wood was. This is, well, also why I don't like MDF, because it just pretty much just breaks up. It's just no sort of structural strength to it whatsoever, and it's just not that good a quality really. So we're going to put something better up that will hopefully last longer. These are the window rails, and as you can see how rotten they are. So same here, the other side, this is what I've taken off already. As you can see, they're like U-shaped channel, pretty much quite nice and simple, but they're just that rotten I can't even get a full piece off. So I've got the top ones which are quite good, so I'm going to remake these and put some new sections in, and then put the glass back in, and that should be that problem sorted. I've got these this little door or whatever it is, just pretty much that I got in a scrap pile, and I've pretty much, their little section's a box section. I've cut the back side of it off, and it's actually the same profile U-channel, so that will work perfect for the windows. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see similar content, please subscribe if you haven't already, and always hit the like button if you do like it, that is. And also if there's anything I can elaborate on a bit more, particular skills or say different projects you want me to do, if you could just leave in the comments below, and I'll try my best to keep up and see what I can do. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.